Oh my gosh, look what's new. I can't believe these stores are having 50 to 70% off, and I want to share with you a few ideas and a few cool things that they've got, so stay tuned. Let's start with Michael's. Online they have a clearance up to 70% off on all these different categories, and they have a ton of categories. I was really surprised at having 70% off on everything. And so I just thought I would check out the crafts, and they have a ton of neat things. You would not believe all of the prices. And I haven't been to a Michael's for a while because it is about an hour away, but I'm sure they have the same kind of sales going on inside the stores as well. But check out these super cute items to craft with. Also, they have a ton of back to school items on sale right now. So if you have kiddos at home that are getting ready to get back to school, or you're a teacher even, they have some really great deals, it looks like. So you want to actually go online for these to see them, and then maybe check them out in the store. Or if you're really close to a store, just head on over. But I think that it's really cool that they have stuff for teachers as well. And I think they give a teacher discount. So make sure that you look at that up online so that you're able to get that when you're going into the store as well. And then they give you an extra 25% off. So that's, a pretty good deal. And now here, of course, is my favorite, Halloween. I love to decorate for Halloween, outside mostly and inside, but they have the cutest things, and it looks like they've got really good clearance prices. So, online I'm sure they may have a little bit more items to choose from, but in the store I know that they have cute stuff there too. So this is something you'll definitely will not want to miss. And also I think they have the fall stuff out too. And of course all of their summer decor is on clearance as well, and you can still use these items like this cute basket for fall decor as well. I just thought, you can, just because they said it's summer doesn't mean it is still summer decor. So, and like this lantern, this is really cute. You could use that for fall. And just any, again, there's 25% off. And you can just reuse these items throughout the year, and they do not need to be for that holiday. And also it says free delivery to your store. So if you're online looking for something, type in your zip code and you can have it delivered free to the closest store, and then just go and pick it up. And I really like this basket. This totally, I know it says summer, but this looks like fall to me. I just think it's really would be pretty with some fall flowers. So you better hurry and check out Michael's before they run out of all of the good stuff. Now over at Joann's website, they have up to 70% door buster deals. So they always have great deals. Every time I've gone, they have coupons. They have everything that you can get what you want for an inexpensive price. Now granted, they do have some of their higher end things that are a bit pricey, but eventually those will come down too. So if you don't get it this year, you can get it for next year. But we're shopping the deals right now in the clearance, and there's fabrics, there's florals, paper supplies, scrapbooking, all kinds of different crafting, paints, of course yarn, and they just have high-end items, as well as a little bit lower end items depending on your price range. Then we head over to the Halloween department, and that is one of my favorites again. And they always have cute decor, whether it is for Halloween, fall, Christmas, any holiday. They always have the cutest things. And they have this cute floral pick here. There's this one and the other one too. They're only $2.99 right now. which is a wonderful deal. And I think it said an online code there that you can get some a percentage more off. And I think with this one too, you can set your zip code and have it shipped to them locally too. I thought this was super cool. I want one of these moths. This is just really neat looking, and it's only $7, and it looks like a pretty good size. So I think I might be shopping online today. But again, such cute stuff. And remember, you can always add these little things to a picture frame, either as the picture itself or on the side. You can do a lot with different types of little tiny things. And again, just more and more of the Halloween stuff. I didn't know this, but they have the oversized skeletons, and they are on sale. They have really good prices here. You will want to check that out, and I think I might even go and get me one. They have all kinds of other skeletal type things as well. Just super cute for the front yard. So now going up to the top here, there's coupons section, and look at the coupons. They have 40% off any one regular priced item, which that is amazing. And then they have other types of coupons for depending on what you want. Sometimes they have for fabric. And then if you want more coupons, you can just go and scan that code there. It's pretty awesome. I love them. And so you can even have their app online and take it with you and get the best coupon deal. So then, of course, you want to shop by category online. There's all kinds of other deals, even over 50% right there. So I would head over and check it out and see what they have and have it shipped directly to your store close by. It's just so easy to do that, and I don't think you can find exactly what you want in the store always. So head on over to JOANNS and see what they have. Next up is the Dollar Tree, and they always have new stuff coming out every season, and they definitely are probably the best place to go to get school supplies if you need pencils or pens and paper. That I think is the best for that. And then also any kind of decorations. These are their new arrivals. I'm just going to touch base on a few things. So these are the new crafting items that they've gotten. I guess only a few things here. The yarn looks like a bigger skein of white yarn. And then they have some cool birthday stuff. And here's the home decor. Now these candles are really cute. They probably don't smell the best, but you could always reuse them for anything. You could take that out and make your own candle if you want. But I just thought they were cute just to set out. So that's one good thing. And then they end up having just other little decor things. So back to the new arrivals, we are going to check out the new toys, because not only can you give them as, a bunch of them in a bag for kids, they have some cute stuff. Look at this cute little mixer. This would be a cute item to redo and to, just for display somewhere cute on a cupboard. And super cute for a little girl or boy if they like to bake. And so I just had to show you that one. I just thought that was adorable. But it looks like they have some cute masks and stuff like that, and just some little tiny things here and there for toys. So then when we click over to the holiday items, the new arrivals are these cute Halloween items. I don't know why they put that pumpkin as a new arrival, because it's been around for a while. But they are some really cute updated items here. And this house here, there's several, I think, that you can choose from. but they are $5 a piece and they light up. Now, isn't that cute? They're about almost 12 inches long or tall. I thought that was a cute find for $5. They have their books again, probably with different sayings on them. And the mesh for your wreaths. All kinds of cute things. Oh, and I thought these would be cute to do like the painted inside kind of thing to make them dark for potions for Halloween. That would be so cute. Or to put a label on after you paint it. Then I saw these skull wall hangings, and I thought those would be super cute by themselves, and then if you wanted to, you could do like the stone type thing to them as well. Here's some footage that my daughter got for me. She's so wonderful. These bowls would be so cute to make those ornaments at Christmas time. I just thought that would be super cool. Just think of the possibilities. And those candle holders, oh my gosh, those are so super cute, and they have every kind of candle that you can imagine. And look at all the colors, and you can make any other kind of candle. So then there's those baskets. I don't know if those were $1.25 or if they were $5. She didn't tell me that, but look at all the organizational tools, or buckets I should say. And then our Dollar Tree is minimal, but they do have some cute Halloween out. Look at that ghost. I can't believe it. I want to go and check it out myself. And of course they have the stuff that they always have, like the little socks there, but look how cute. All of this new stuff coming out already, and it's barely going to be August. You know how that works. Those pumpkins are adorable, and I love this sunflower. Oh my gosh, I need to go get me one. But they have the beads already painted. You don't have to paint any. Just so cute. I just love gathering up a bunch of things and making something with it. Now these are glass bowls, and my daughter thought they were really pretty, and they resemble the vintage cut glass bowls, so you want to watch out when you're thrifting that you're not picking up a Dollar Tree item. Last but not least, Hobby Lobby. Now they tend to have a lot of good sales on things and a lot of high price things. So you want to definitely shop the sales, and they have different categories here I was showing you, and 50% off home decor. So we're going to look in there. Now I love that industrial look of the floating shelves, and then I am looking for some shelves for above my coffee nook. And so I'm looking at these thinking those would be perfect. So I'm going to add them to my cart just so I have them for later. And I thought these would be maybe the ones I want. That's the thickness I want, but I do think I want them longer. And I do see some just below that. And I might end up looking at those at another time, but I came across the Last Supper. Now this is so gorgeous. It's half price, it looks like, and it is a good size. It's 27, I think, inches by 42 inches wide, so it's a good size piece, and I wonder if it looks really as good in the picture in real life. So I really want to see that one. I'd like to get it. It's so pretty. So just checking out more of the decor here. And of course they have their normal gorgeous stuff with their little twist to it, and a lot of farmhouse, which I love. If you like modern, I know they have a lot of modern stuff as well. But again, shopping online, and you can possibly ship it to your home or just ship it to the store that's closest to you. Now this one was a good deal too. That's a gorgeous piece. It's on canvas, and it's $30, and it looks like a really good size there sitting on the table. I think that one's really pretty. So here we are, just going back through, going up to see what other sales we have. So we're going to go to the fall and check that out. So they do have these little tiny candles like they did at the Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree's stepping up. They're really cute, I think. And here's just a lot of different things. You can get your tablecloths and everything. Of course, more wreaths and that. Just a bunch of cute stuff. I love Hobby Lobby. They just always have the best things, you know. And of course, there's just everything you need to have a perfect decor for any room. And I want to show you, there's one thing on the, I think it's this next page. Oh, here we go. This is super cute. This is wooden, and it has all of that pumpkins and stuff in it. And it's only $7. I'm sure it's small, but it is super cute. Going over to this next page, this pheasant here is adorable, and it's perfect fall decor. You can have it in a centerpiece for Thanksgiving table setting. I just think it's really pretty. I've thought about getting this one too, and it's only $10, and it looks like a pretty good size. And you have your garland, and this is so super pretty too. I can't believe how gorgeous this is for $20, and you could set that around your pheasants. I just made up my table. And there's that turkey there. Just so many things to look at, and really inexpensive prices, which is really super nice. So I am finished with my shopping, so I hope that you had a fun time shopping with me. You should go now to check out these stores to see all of the fall decor and Halloween decor. Get it while you can, because in my experience, if you don't get it now, it will be gone by the time the actual season is here. So you don't want to miss those deals. Thank you so much for staying through the video this long to the end, and I'm going to have lots more different videos. I hope that you enjoy the different things that I bring to you, and please like and comment and share my videos. That helps my channel out a lot. Thank you again, and I hope you have a wonderful day.